Hi guys. So this is the optional video for 9.1 balancing equations. This is the shortcut if you are interested in doing the shortcut. If you've watched both videos, and you really need to watch those first. If you watched them and you feel like you could do it, then great, watch this. If you feel like you've had enough, then I would turn this video off, okay? Because you can do balancing without this video, but if you are like, yeah, I think I can do this, then go ahead and give it a try. So for the shortcut, okay, instead of writing a tally, I just kind of go back and forth and just see what do I have on the left versus what do I have on the right, okay? So for the left, all right, I have FE. Let me take my pen. I have one FE here on the left. I have one FE here on the right. I'm going to leave that alone. I have two oxygens here on the left. I have one oxygen here on the right. So I'm going to put a 2 here, and now that's balanced, okay? The oxygens are balanced. However, now my FEs are not. So now I'm going to go back and say, all right, I've got two FEs. I need to have two FEs, and now that is balanced, okay? So it's just back and forth. I can go back and check two FEs, two O's, two O's. Let's try another one, okay, without doing the tallies, all right? So I have two H's here. I have one H here. So I'm going to put a 2 there. So now my H's are good. I have one S. I have four S's here. I need to have 4. So I'm going to kind of have to go back here. I need to have 4. So if I put a 4 here, all right, I need to then get back to this guy, all right? Then go back to my H's. So I have my 4 S's that I need, so my S's are good, but now I have 8 H's. So 2, because 4 times 2 is 8. So I'm going to put an 8 here. So now my H's and my S's are good. So let's move on to CL's. So I have 2 CL's here, but 8 CL's here. So what times 2 will give me 8? 4. And so let's just double check. I've got 2 times 4. I've got 8 H's, 8 H's. I've got 4 S's, I've got 4 S's, and I've got 4 times 2 is 8 CL's, and I've got 8 CL's. So that one's balanced. Here's another one. All right. I have 2 carbons on the left. I need 2 carbons on the right. I have 6 H's on the left. I need to have 6 H's on the right. I have 2 CL's on the left, and I have 6 CL's on the right. So what times 2 gives me 6, and that's 3. So now everything is good. Let's see if I have another one I can do. All right, I have 1 Mg, I've got 1 Mg. I've got 2 Ags. I now have 2 Ags. I have 1 S, 1 S. That one was too easy. Let's try another one. All right, let's see if we can do this one. 3 carbons, 3 carbons. This one might be a little tricky, so bear with me. 8 hydrogens, 8 hydrogens. I've got 2 oxygens here, but I have 3 times 2 is 6, 9, 10 oxygens on the right. So what times 2 gives me 10? 5. Okay. Let's see if we can do this one. 1 Mg, 1 Mg. I cannot balance this as a polyatomic, so I've got, this one's going to be a little bit trickier. I've got 2 H's here plus 1, so 3 H's. I can't easily make that 3, but I can probably make this side 4. So if I put a, let's go to CL's. Let's skip to CL's. I've got 2 CL's here. If I put a 2 here, now I have 2 CL's. So Mg's are good. The CL's are good. Now we need to fix oxygens and hydrogens. So now I have 2 hydrogens and 2 hydrogens. That's 4 hydrogens. So if I just put a 2 here, my hydrogens are good. And let's just double check our O's. I've got 2 O's here and 2 O's here. So now it's balanced. So really all it is kind of putting coefficients there as I go without making tallies. So if that's helpful, great. If not, if that is too much information, please forget that you heard this and just go back to doing the tallies. That works for a lot of people. Please let me know if you guys have any questions, and take care.